Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are fixing this old school iPad. You see here the glass is damaged, severely damaged. It's got a little bump here in the aluminum case, so we got to straighten that out so we could fit the new glass. This is like one of the first generation iPads. So let's get started. Alright, so we ordered this kit online, and this kit comes with a screen protector. I don't know if you guys can see that. The new glass screen. So that's here. And the adhesive for the edge of the screen. So what I'm going to do now is try to remove this glass without breaking it anymore. I have a heat gun here, so we could heat up the adhesive around the edge of the glass, and hopefully it will be easy to lift up. And we have to be careful not to get these little pieces of glass scattered all over the place because they might damage the iPad. So this kit also comes with some little hand tools here. Looks like some alcohol wipes, a wet wipe and a dry wipe, and then some tools along with a little suction cup so that you could pull up the glass, and also these little hooks and tools to remove some of that stuff. Some more.
Jewish. You understand? This man, you're moving in. You can't be Jewish. Kevin, this is a man. What? Don't you understand? They're gay. And on the drive club downstairs, they're two men.
Zoom in here, baby.
She called you another corner. Nothing's changed. It's still me. With one tiny difference.
Alright guys, we're gonna cut this little ribbon cable here just so that we could get in there and clean up more of the garbage. So that removes the window or the broken glass.
Guys, at what point are you going to turn the air back on? It's getting really hot in here.
And then now I just gotta clean this little side up. Then we remove this little bracket here with the screws, and then that's where you connect the new ribbon cable. Alright guys, so the only thing to do now is you got 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's to lift up the digitizer, and then the electronic board is underneath that. So we're gonna go ahead and carefully remove that. So that we could access the other end of that ribbon cable that we clipped off before. So this is the ribbon cable here. This is the one for the new screen there. So I'm just gonna hold this like this while I remove this cable without damaging anything. Now this is the piece of the ribbon cable. So now we'll get the new screen. Tuck that ribbon cable in under there. Slide the new connector in. Lay this guy back down. Put the screws back in. You get cut there. Alright guys, so this actually isn't the adhesive, it's like a little gasket that I noticed that the old one still has on there, and it's in good shape, so I'm just gonna leave that on. The adhesive happens to be on the back of the window here. Once we pull this blue tape up, the adhesive will be exposed. So I'm just gonna take these little wet wipes that came with the kit and clean off any excess material on this guy. I'm probably doing this wrong, but this is, let's see how this goes. So you want to have this as clean as possible, because once you put that screen on, there's no going back. So all these fingerprints that I just put on here, I'm going to try to just wipe them off. Alright, that looks good enough. So now we will remove this blue tape here, exposing the adhesive. And there's a little bit more here. Alright, I'll leave that guy there. So now that that is exposed, what I'm gonna do is look at this. So this keeps the glass clean in there. And then now I'm gonna use this suction to help me hold the glass. While I put it all on. and just press everything down. There you have it, folks. It's like brand new.